Hi, everyone. It's Caesar here with Upstryve. Today, we are being joined by licensing expert Carlos Diaz. How you doing, Carlos?
How you doing, Caesar? How you doing, viewers? Hope everybody's staying warm. I know there's a couple of crazy weather going on nationwide. So even for me down here in Florida, I woke up this morning, it was in the 30s. That to me is freezing.
Whoa. 30s in Florida is like Antarctica.
It's a problem.
It's a problem.
It's a problem.
Well, thanks for joining us, Carlos. Today, we have something special for everyone. Carlos will actually be going over 3 essential steps to becoming a contractor for all of you that are on this journey. So without further ado, I'm just going to let Carlos do his thing.
These are 3 basic essential steps in order to become a contractor anywhere nationwide. First and foremost, we have to determine what type of contractor do you want to be? Why? Because this is going to change depending on your jurisdiction. Some states, a general contractor can do everything, including roofing, plumbing, electrical, structural work, or specialty structures. And that will change depending on your jurisdiction. Once you determine that, get your books and start studying. All these exams are based on books that are determined by your jurisdiction, by your state, by your county, and the testing agency that you're going to be utilizing in order to pass your exams to get your license. So that's what's going to vary. So that's the first thing. Determine what kind of contractor you want to be. And number 2, get your books and get to study those books because most of these exams are based on that material. Number 2, passing your exams. The exams are going to vary depending on your license and depending, once again, in your jurisdiction. The 2 largest testing agencies are going to be PSI and Pearson VUE. These companies are just testing companies that report your test scores to either your county or your state, okay? But you need to pass those exams. The majority of licenses are going to require at least 2 exams. Usually there is a business exam, okay, or business and law, and then the particular trade exam for the job that you're going to be doing. So that is going to be step number 2. Number 3, this particular step sometimes can be before step number 1 or exactly at the 3rd portion, and that's going to be your documentation. Every license is going to require that you have a certain amount of documentation that has to be reported to the jurisdiction that you are testing with. So that's usually going to include your education, a background check, credit reports, and experience. So every jurisdiction is going to require a certain amount of experience. Some places, some states require 2 years of experience, 3, 4, including 6 to 8 years of experience, depending on the particular license you're going for. One of the ways to minimize that experience is if you have a college degree. Depending on your college degree, your state might compress that time in lieu for your degree. And also that will change depending on the degree. Another way as well is veterans. Depending on your MOS, your military occupational specialty, will also compress that time. Most states will give veterans the benefits of including their time in service as also practical application time, but that also changes from state to state and also depending also very, very much so on your MOS. So those are the 3 basic premises. Number 1, determine what license and get your books and study. Number 2, take your exams, pass them successfully. Number 3, that sometimes can be number 1, documentation and the formal applications with your state or county. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. The number should be around here, or shoot me an email here at Upstryve, somewhere around there, and we'd be more than happy to go over these exact details for your specific license and municipality and help you to succeed in these exams.
Thank you so much for your insights today, Carlos. We really appreciate it.
Absolutely, guys. So please, you can click subscribe, comment, the link below. Also right there on the bio. Feel free to give us a call, send me an email, contact us. We want to help you to achieve your goals and get your contractor's license.
Thank you, Carlos. And thanks everyone for watching. Have a great day.
Bye-bye. Take care.